I try to get Hot Rod, let me drive that motherfucker, show my real race car get down.
I see you on my Instagram. I be rocking it like it's fresh out the pan. Only when I'm taking pics, I'm the middleman. Walk talking like a boss, I just lift the hand. 3 million cash, call me Rain Man. Money like a shower, that's my rain dance.
I didn't want to share with these. We got like little distance. I need some change in oil, man.
This is what we call black gangster, you know. All our race car. You know, I figured we'll bring something fast out here to the West Coast.
Okay,
you know, something different, you know. Really, actually, I've always looked to the West Coast for G-bodies and stuff. Actually, I met somebody today, Active Hood Rich, somebody I've been watching a long time on YouTube. They were some G-body guys, so, you know, felt like I had to bring it over here to the West Coast.
Yeah.
So, you know, we came out trying to represent.
You ever find another box?
Yeah, I gotta get him over there.
That's the Atlanta shit right here on the south side.
We're gonna let it cool off, and I'm gonna try to do a little spectating and prospecting and see who I can try, you know.
You might have scared them away, man.
I hope not, cause that wasn't nothing.
Right.
Yeah, I hope not. Yeah, I hope not. But like I said, I'm trying to feel the track. The track is not what I'm used to. You know, I really was expecting a better surface versus what I got.
Oh.
So I came with a tune-up straight from Atlanta, no changes.
Yeah.
So, you know, it really didn't like it down low as you can see on the pass, but I can go in there and fix that and really kind of turn it down a little bit.